So, what's up YouTube? This is your girl, Miss Kim Bella, and today I'm going to be doing a hair tutorial on some Janet Passion Twist braids. And these are crochet. I got a ombre 1B27, which I'm going to put in the bag. I got 2 packs of those. And then I got a 27, and I got 4 packs of those. And this is the package, which I already took it out. But this is the packaging. And that's how it looks on the back. And it has like all the colors that it does come in. Anyway, so I'm going to get into doing my hair. And I'm going to have you guys come along with me. So if you want to stay tuned, stay here. What's up, YouTube? This your girl, Miss Kim Bella. Okay, so yesterday I did my hair, and it was the Janet collection in the Passion Twist. It took me a while to get it, but I got it. I haven't done crochet braids since I was about 13. So that's when they were in, and they went out of style, and now they back in style. But as you guys can tell, I got them up because I just got the shower. And so I'm going to take them down so you guys can see what they look like. Hold on. Okay, so this is what they look like after I got done with them. They're okay. It might not be a style for me, but I did want to try it because I've been wanting them for a long time. And I did not want to sit in the chair for hours and hours to get Passion Twist. So I wanted to try them. And yeah, so I don't know if you guys can see the back of them. Hold on, let me go in my guest bed, guest bathroom, so you guys can see. Okay, so y'all can see in the back, and I'm 5'3", and they are about yeah, they're down there. So okay. I don't know how long I'm going to keep them in, but maybe for about, I'm so used to washing my hair every day, but I might keep them in for like another 2 days and then redo my braids and put them back in. So I don't know you guys how long I'm going to keep them in. I don't know. And then I got this plain face going on, but it is Easter Sunday, and happy Easter to all my YouTubers. And I'll be coming with some more videos. I know I've been away for a while, but just work and life, y'all know how they go. But I will be back. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks.